Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys doing good. Hope you guys doing great. And today in the morning, I had an interesting experience that I want to share with you. I got stoned early in the morning. I'm just talking after that, and everything was really conscious all around me. I didn't even meditate. I didn't do anything. It just happens. So I'm not going to be in this state all the time. Maybe after 2 3 hours I might be jumping, I might be talking loud, but this is pretty interesting experience I had in the morning. So usually as what I did is I started watching the clouds, the water, trees, and hearing the sound early in the morning. And it's normal, like my thoughts keep running. But today, all of a sudden, I got stoned. It means that I became part of everything. And this doesn't happen very often. It just happens out of the blue. Um, the whole point is, the thing is, once you start to know yourself more, once you start this process of meditation, once you start to understand more about this, what happens is these things will trigger you at some point. And it's pretty interesting how it triggers. If you already understand about universal laws and meditation and all these things, what it can bring to you, if it's useful enough, if it's good enough, then you need to put a step. And what happens is the transition is going to happen very slow. And that's what's happening for me. It's out of the blue I experienced something extraordinary. And today I just got stoned, which means that stoned in the sense that I had this feeling that I'm part of the trees. It's just I was sitting there for half an hour, just glaring and then just watching everything. And I was having my daily drink. I usually have lemon, turmeric, and pepper in a hot water. And I was sipping so slow, very consciously, you know, and it was awesome. And the thing is, I could enjoy the whole sitting. And I could have sat there for hours, but it's just like I couldn't take that for some reason. I was like, I need to come back to my normal state of, you know, I don't know, because I'm not used to that state of being uh, mindful when I'm normally sipping the coffee. If I'm meditating, it's fine, but that's just the normal thing I was doing. I just got to a different conscious state. So that's why it's pretty important to start. So you need to start to meditate. Start. Once you start, the magic shows up. Slowly it's gonna show up. And it's so amazing. It's so amazing, so awesome, you know. So it's important to start. Just want to say that you need to start. You need to start to meditate. You need to start to be conscious. Even though it's for a second, you need to start. What happens is the second is going to become a minute is going to become hours, the hours are going to become days, days are going to become months, months are going to become years, and it's going to become throughout. Thank you and peace. Namaste.